Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable fingerprint in Galaxy A15 5G. So firstly guys, you have to go to settings here, then scroll down. Here we have an option for lock screen. So just tap here and then tap to lock screen type. Now enable the fingerprint here, click continue. After that, we have an option for next here. So just click next. Okay. But firstly, we have to set up the password. So I'm going to use a pin. Okay. Now here we have a fingerprint sensor. So we have to put our finger here. Okay. Now click done here. Now let's time for a check. Okay, so as you guys see, the fingerprint is working accurately. So this is how we can set up the fingerprint in Galaxy A15 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.